Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sumra. If this is your first time here. If it's not, welcome back. How you doing? In today's video, we are getting into microfiber sponges. This thing right here, as you can see, I used it to create this look right here. So we're going to get into this. We're going to see how it works. Is it better than the Beauty Blender? Is it worse? Do I like it? Do I hate it? Do I think it's better? Do I think it's worth it? I don't know. You have to just keep on watching to figure that out. But before you do, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Let me know you like this video. It really does help me out. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. But make sure you subscribe. Subscribe. Because once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So I need you guys to subscribe. Set me up for success. Like this video. And yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, we're going to get right into the video. As you can see, I've already done my eyes off camera. Pretty basic look for me, to be honest. But what we're really going to focus on today is this little beauty right here. This is the Instylish Microfiber sponge. Microfiber. It's hydrophilic polyurethane. I don't know how to say it. I'll put the word up here. But this one is basically what it is. I've already been using it, so as you can see, I have been using it. So I've been testing it out. So this is not a first impressions video. This is more of a review. Basically what this is supposed to do is that it's not going to absorb product as much as a beauty blender. It's supposed to be a little bit more like, it's supposed to help you keep the longevity of your products. You're not going to be using more, therefore you won't be buying more, etc, etc, etc. And because it doesn't absorb, you're getting the full product on your face. So we're going to try this today. I'm going to review it. I'm going to let you guys know how I feel about it, all my thoughts. You're going to see how my makeup lays. And yeah, also having breakouts, just FYI, I know. But I'm going to quickly go wet this and then we will get started. Alright guys, I am back. I quickly put some primer on and concealed my dark circles because I usually do a brush for that type of stuff, so that was irrelevant. Now we're gonna get right into the foundation. We're gonna go with Too Faced Born This Way. During the colder months, I really don't like to use a matte foundation, just because I feel like it gets a little dark. I'm gonna put a pump of the NARS for just a tint of color. Not a lot. And then obviously we're going to do my usual cocktail, which is add the Farsali Skin Tune Blur. Literally my favorite cocktail. For foundation, we're going to take a brush and mix it. Make sure I take it on your neck. So I normally would take the rest of that and put it on my face, but we're going to just see how it blends out. So this is a little wet, not too wet, wet enough. Not too wet. We're gonna start bouncing. So I'm gonna use the butt of the sponge and just kind of start bouncing that in. So one thing I can tell you right now, it's not as soft as the Beauty Blender. It's a little bit stiffer, but it does blend out the foundation really, really nicely. I do say so myself. And it doesn't seem to be absorbing any product. I feel like it's just truly blending it, which is nice. I've been using the sponge for a couple days, so this is not a first impressions. I'm just showing it as an alternative. No, these are cheaper than Beauty Blenders. This, I believe, is like $10 on the Instylish website. I'll have all the information down below. They did send this to me, but that does not mean that's gonna like hinder my review. Foundation all over my thing. Okay, my sleeves up. Alright, so I'm sitting so far from the camera. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I blended it really nicely. And it's pretty good. I feel like I do a little bit more coverage here, so I'm just gonna take what's left over. I do think it is saving me product, even though I keep pumping out more than I need. That's just habit. It's just gonna have to stop. But I do feel like I am using less because the Beauty Blender does absorb product. But what I do like about the Beauty Blender is that because it absorbs product, it kind of gives you a less cakey feel. But again, this isn't bad. So I'm taking it over. I do wish this was a little bit like more like, what's the word I'm looking for this? What's the word? It's the tip of my tongue. Morph. I wish this could have morphed a little bit more so that it just blends a little better. It did blend it really nicely though. Do I think it's going to replace my Beauty Blender? No. but do I think I can use this if I like, I don't have anything else to use? Yeah. Honestly, I'm more curious to see how it blends out concealer. So now that I know how it blends it out, but so you guys can see. Sorry, I'm still congested. It just got really cold while I got sick. It just hot. We're gonna apply my concealer. This is N Medium 1. I still do the triangles under my face, okay? Don't judge me. That is just what I need. I like it. I want it. Give it to me. We're gonna add contour too. We're gonna add the KKW contour. Y'all know I like to let my concealer sit. I'm gonna blend this out, and then we'll come back to the concealer. Contour is blended out. I can speak. Now we are gonna do concealer, and for this I'm going to use the flat side of this. I do like that because I feel like that's easy to cut. So actually, instead of that, I'm going to use this side, so the curved side, to blend out my concealer. You know what it feels like? It just feels like a dry sponge I'm blending out my concealer with, and I kind of like, that's one thing. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like I like how the beauty blender is a little damp. I blended out pretty nice. And then we're gonna take the back where we're blending out the foundation with and just do what I normally do. Just kind of blend everything together so it just doesn't look like any lines of demarcation. Let's contour this nose real quick. And now we're gonna take a lighter concealer. We're gonna take N-Light 1. And what this does is just gives the under eye a little bit more brightness. I hate being sick, guys. If you guys knew how many like sniffles I edit out of my videos, you guys would be shocked. So I look pretty blended. I look pretty good. I like how this is looking. I do like the sponge. It's a little stiff for my liking, but it's not bad. And it definitely gets the job done. And it's cheaper than the Beauty Blender. It is also saving you product because you're not using as much. So I'm here for that. I like that. It looks pretty good. Let's set this face. So what I've been liking to do is I like taking the KKW Shade 2 baking powder and taking this MAC 133 brush, just like a flat powder brush. You can go right underneath the eye. That was not a good idea. Do you see how that broke apart that concealer? Not a big deal. We can fix that. Make sure you got all your creases out. It's easier to work one eye at a time. And you're going to take the powder and just set the under eye with it. What I like about this, because it has that pink tone to it, I feel like it kind of cancels out any darkness that might linger. I feel like my under eyes have super bad like dark circles. It's genetic, it is what it is. I've accepted it about my life. You should too. And I mean, there's things you can do to lighten them, but I don't know. The same thing as the other eye. And what this does, I feel like when you set it a little bit with just a little bit of powder versus like going right into baking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just like poke myself in the eye. So what it does, I feel like, is it doesn't stick to any patches. It kind of gives it something to lay on top of, which is what I like. You guys think I'm crazy about how many different types of powders I use, but I swear it works. Now to set the rest of the face, we're going to use Kylie Cosmetics in Beige. What I like about this is that it doesn't change the color of your foundation. It doesn't really do anything. It kind of is a neutral color, which I kind of like. I feel like sometimes translucent can leave a cast. Not that it should, but you know, I just like to go with the powder puff. Just set the face with this. I have to actually take a fluffy brush. Just go down the neck with this too. Don't forget we put foundation on our neck. So we want that to be set as well, because your neck has lines. You don't want anything to crease or give us away, to be honest. That's it for this. For now, we're gonna contour. Since I'm not really going anywhere, we're not gonna use my expensive stuff. I said it. Okay, Dior special, okay. So we're going with the KKW Shade 3. I haven't used this in a hot minute, even though I've been Pam, I haven't used that in a hot minute. With the R10 brush. Yesterday I did my makeup and I forgot to put on primer. And I realized it as I was setting my face. I'm like, oh my god, I kind of a primer on. It was fun, my makeup still lasted, but my pores were a little bit more visible than I would like. I feel like my skin isn't as protected if I'm not wearing a primer, you know what I'm saying? I feel like the primer kind of helps it from making sure my pores don't clog, you know? We're gonna bronze up with the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer. We're gonna use 2 bronzers today because I've been kind of liking a 2 bronzer vibe. First Kylie, my nose is itchy. And we're gonna go with the KKW shade 5. Just because it's fall doesn't mean we can't be bronzed. I love being bronzed. It's a serious problem. Now time to bake. Go back in with that Kylie powder. And we bake under the cheeks with this one. Oh wait, I wanted to use the sponge for that. But this time I'm going to take the flat side, so this side right here, pick up some powder. Not bad. I actually kind of like that better than the powder. Oh my god, there's something really itchy on my nose. Oh my god, what is it? Okay, we're going to bake under the eyes as well. But we're not going to use beige for that, because obviously that's not going to be the right color for my face. We're gonna do a tried and true Laura Mercier because we love Laura. And we're gonna take whatever powder was left on here. I have like my paper towel right here, what I use to like change colors. I rubbed off as much as I could. It'll be fine. We're gonna take the Laura Mercier. This is my personal one, so like, just no, I wouldn't do that if it was like in my kit. Not gonna lie, lining up my nose with that, really easy. Really like that. Down her nose. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly do my under eyes off camera, like meaning my lower lash line, and I'll be right back to wipe away this bake. Okay guys, I am back. I am not wiping away my bake. I'm gonna leave my nose on just for a little bit. Re-bronze what I feel like I lost. We can blush up in the meantime. We're gonna use a oldie but a goodie, which is MAC Peaches, one of my favorites. Okay. Now we can wipe away the rest of this bake. And what I like to do for my nose is actually press it in. I feel like that's really how my nose contour. I brush it up. And then, of course, we cannot forget to brighten our face. It's one of my favorite things to do, and we're going to do it today. But so far, my face is looking good. I feel like it looks the same as I normally would do with the Beauty Blender. It's good. Let's put some Fix Plus because I feel really powdery right now. I'm sorry if I roll my eyes like that. It just feels so good. We're gonna highlight. And we're gonna go to yet another oldie but a goodie. It's not really that old, but it's one of my diehard faves. The Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Still one of my all-time faves. Because I'm almost done with that makeup, we're just going to spray. I'm going to go put my lashes on, my lips on, and then I'll be back with my final verdict on what I think of the microfiber sponge by Instylish. So let's do a quick swipe. Alright guys, I am done with my makeup. This is what I look like. And I'm not wearing earrings, and my ears have been really sensitive lately. So that's why I'm not wearing earrings. This is what I look like. I feel like my makeup looks really good. It looks pretty blended. I feel like it is a little bit heavier than I'm used to, but it's like a lot saying that. But that's because, again, it's not absorbing any product. So my final consensus on this brush, why do I keep calling it a brush? On this sponge is that it's good. I like how it blended out my foundation. I like the different edges. I like how it's not absorbing product. However, there's one thing I don't like about it, and that is that you can only use this up to 30 days. It's 15-30 days, which in my opinion is not a lot. A Beauty Blender, if you clean it regularly, you can use it up for 2 months. So you can use it up for 2 months. So I feel like it's kind of not cool. But a Beauty Blender is also $20. This is $10, so it is half the price. You can use it for half the time. It says you can clean it using any type of sponge cleaner. So that is what I'm going to do, and we're going to see how it turns out. But I do like it. So This is approved. I think that you definitely could use it. I think it's really nice. I keep thinking I have lipstick on my teeth during the night. But I do like it. I think it's fun. It's cute. I like how it's self-absorbing any products, so it's technically saving you money because you're not going to be buying as much foundation or concealer because you're not going to be using as much. I definitely could have gone down in the use of my foundation and concealer, but you know, it is what it is with that. But I do like it, so this I do recommend. It is approved, and yeah, you can find all the information on this particular sponge down below. It's Instylish Microfiber brush. You get sponge, microfiber sponge. You get 2 for $10, which I think is a great deal. That's basically $5 each. Not a bad deal. I think I have a coupon code. I'm going to contact them, see if I have a coupon code. If I do, you'll see it on the screen here, and you can use that coupon code. If I don't, I'll probably cut this part out. But you can find all the information down below on the sponge. They have different kinds of sponges too, different type of variety packs. This is the pack that they sent me. So we have that. I really actually did enjoy using it. So yeah, that is my final verdict. I think my makeup looks really good. It looks blended. It looks exactly like how I want it to look. So I am happy. I am happy. Anyways, if you did like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up so you know every single time I upload. And leave a comment down below. Have you tried a microfiber sponge before? If you have, is it this one? Is it the other ones? Are you still a beauty blender fanatic? Oh, do I think it's gonna replace my beauty blender? I don't think so. I think I have different uses for them. I like how this picks up powder a lot, and I like how it has this straight edge, but I do like how damp the beauty blender gets. So that's my only nitpick on this, is that it doesn't stay as damp as the beauty blender, which I feel like because the beauty blender, it was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. No. I just like how damp this is, because I feel like when the sponge is damp, that's what's really giving you that airbrush feel. It's kind of just like really pushing into your skin and like absorbing that excess product that maybe you just don't need. This one is kind of just laying it on there, which is not bad. I'm a full coverage queen. I love being full coverage, so I'm not mad at that. But that is my final verdict with that. But yeah, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, check out this video right here. I give you a snatch ponytail and maybe a video you just really enjoy watching. Just watch them and subscribe to my channel right here and make it so easy for you. Just do it. Love you.